Welcome to Grade 1 English class with me, Yashaswini. Today I have one more folk tale to tell you all. Come then, let us listen to Babu's Sons by Soumya Rajendran. Babu had two sons, Hira and Moti. They were always fighting, even in their dreams. One day they were eating dinner. Babu had made soup. This soup is yummy, said Hira. Moti thought so too, but he said it tastes bad. Soon they were fighting again. Babu was sad. He wanted his sons to be friends. Babu took away their bowls. Go to the kitchen now, he said. His sons were surprised. I want each of you to make a bowl of soup, said Babu. His sons grumbled but went inside. Soon they came back with bowls of soups. Babu gave Hira's bowl to Moti and Moti's bowl to Hira. Drink your soup, said Babu. Both boys tasted the soup. Do you like it? Asked Babu. They did. But what did they say? He put too much salt, said Hira. He put too much pepper, said Moti. Then make new bowl of soup, Babu said. Until everyone is happy with their soup, nobody can go to bed. Hira and Moti looked at each other. They knew what to do. They tasted the soup again. This soup is yummy, said Hira. Yes, it is, said Moti. Babu smiled. Everyone ate their dinner in peace. Babu's sons still fought now and then, but never at dinner. So what's the moral of the story? You shouldn't fight among yourself. Here are some meanings which I would like to bring to your notice. Soup. It's a food made of water and pieces of food like vegetables, etc. Grumbling. That is nothing but complaining. Grumble, complain. Peace. That is no disturbance. Yes, in the end, Babu and his sons ate the dinner in peace. That is without any disturbance. So I hope you all like this story.